Hi, and welcome to the channel. My name is Tony, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Meross Smart Garage Door Opener model MSG200HK. If this is your first time with us, please subscribe and hit that little bell so that you're alerted to when I release new content. In the essence of full disclosure, Meross did send me this item for my review. However, they are not sponsoring this video, nor are they paying me. All of the comments you hear are my own. That being said, let's head over to the computer and get started with today's video. So the Meross Smart Garage Door Opener is currently available and shipping on Indiegogo at the price of $49 US. If you're interested in this product, I'll put a link down in the video description below. So looking at the feature set of the MSG200HK, it comes with an external antenna for better Wi-Fi reception. This device can support up to 3 garage doors at the same time. You can control it remotely using the free Meross app. Also, voice control is supported by the Amazon Assistant and the Google Assistant, and now with the new model MSG200HK, there's support for Apple HomeKit. However, remote access does require a HomeKit hub such as an iPad, an Apple TV, or a HomePod speaker. This device does come with a high sensitivity sensor which monitors the status of the garage doors. Installation should be pretty straightforward, and we'll get to that in the next video. As far as compatibility is concerned, is this device compatible with your garage door opener? I'll put a link to a compatibility table down in the video description. So let's take a closer look at the product now. As you can see by the box, it supports up to 1, 2, 3 garage doors at a time. It's compatible with all 3 major smart home platforms. And one of the things I'm excited to set up with this product is its hardwired installation, meaning I don't have to deal with learning garage door opener codes. That being said, let's take a closer look at what comes inside the box. Inside the box, Meross gives you the garage door opener, a USB cable with the accompanying adapter, the control cable and sensor, a setup guide, a tip guide for setting up with Apple HomeKit, and in this package here is the other side of the sensor, some double-sided tape, and a wire tie. Taking a closer look at the garage door opener itself, you can see its form factor is relatively small as it fits in the palm of my hand. On the top you have the Meross logo. Here's the external antenna. If I flip the unit like this, you can see the USB power port, a reset button, and the 3 ports for connecting up your garage doors. Now that being said, let me show you. If I bring in the control cable, this end of the cable here would plug into the garage door opener just like that. Determining the open or closed status of the garage door is dependent upon the sensors. So when the sensors are near each other, it tells the opener that the garage door is closed. When the garage door opens and one of the sensors moves away, it tells the opener that the garage door is open. We'll take a closer look at that in the upcoming installation video. So there's a quick look at the Meross MSG200HK Smart Garage Door Opener. I'll be setting this up in a future video at a client's location and testing it out. I'm really looking forward to seeing how this works. For the price point of $49, the fact that it is compatible with the 3 major smart home platforms and doesn't involve any learning of codes to pair it with your garage door opener does make for a really great value. I'm really curious to see how this plays out. If you found any value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, please stay safe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.